Okay, what we have here is Matthew 18:5, and it's a somewhat familiar verse. Read the Greek. Kai has ean dexetai hen paidion toiuta perito anamate mu eme dexetai. And the translation is, and whoever welcomes these children in, or concerning, but the best way to translate that is in my name, welcomes me. Now let's start with that has ean. Well, that is whoever. And remember from your book, it says right here, this is back in the chapter on relative pronouns, when a relative pronoun is combined with an or ean, the phrase expresses an indefinite idea. Instead of translating as who, whom, which, and so forth, the indefinite form, whoever, whomever, whichever. That is, instead of referring to a specific person or thing, the indefinite is a general reference to anyone or anything that fits the description. So here Jesus is not referring to a certain person, but whoever would fill that category, namely a category of someone who welcomes a little child. So the has is the relative pronoun with the ean, and that means we translated that whoever. Not who, but whoever. And then we have this word, hen, and that's not this word, en, which would mean in. It's hen, which means one, the number one. Whoever welcomes one child, just one child, or one of these children, is the idea, just one, in my name, welcomes me, and that's the first person pronoun there. Okay, so that is your translation for this week. This was a hard chapter. There's a lot here in this chapter, and when you jump to looking at the pronouns, the indefinite pronoun, the relative pronouns, the complication factor increases pretty drastically. So review this chapter. We're not going to leave it ever in your study of Greek, in the sense that you're probably always going to have to go back to this chapter and like, oh, wait, what is that form again? This in the chapter we did 2 chapters ago on more pronouns, I think it was called, is very important. And so you'll go back to these often.